Okay, lovely people, I'm going to try to film this without you getting dizzy. I always get dizzy if I look at a moving picture. But anyway, I wanted to show you my outside art room, let's say, my light box, as I call it. I won't go into detail because it's still a bit messy, but this is the table where I sit, and I'll slowly show you the journal I just finished and some craft supplies. Yeah, you see the outside is still, these are glass doors, so yeah, that can all open. I will see if I can take you outside a little bit. This is just all these little things, you know, stuff that I collect and use. And this is my little bench where one of my cats always likes to, well, there she is, Coco. Hey, Coco. Yeah, she's now lying there. Anyway, this is my garden, which is still not, yeah, you know, it's not finished yet. Like underneath that is a table and some chairs, but I always cover that up. And then over there you can see my lilac tree. Yay! And my lilac tree, underneath it is buried the book bundle. Yeah, well, anyway, in my little shed. So yeah, that's it for now, people. I will see if I can show you around. Yes, and then you go inside my house yet, but I mean, I won't show you that, but this is where I sit in the summer, and yeah, I just thought I'd show you. Okay, bye bye, have a lovely day.